Do you say, I will travel, I'm going to travel, or I'm traveling? These all talk about the future, but they are not the same. Let's keep today's lesson simple. Stay around to the end to have a quick quiz. Okay, let's go. We use will for decisions made now or predictions. It's something that you decide at that moment. We use going to for plans that are already decided or things we can see. Here the plan already exists. We use the present continuous for arranged, fixed plans. This is something that's organized and already fixed. Be careful! These two are very similar, but there is a small difference. Going to is a plan you've decided before, but it's a general plan. The present continuous is organized and already arranged. Great work, everybody. Well done. Remember to leave your comments below and like and subscribe to the Revision Station for more grammar videos. Okay, bye-bye.